Let's dive into the process of adding sections to your SharePoint site. To begin, click on the Edit button. Please note anytime you want. You can also mention someone or leave a comment right here. Now, let's proceed with editing and add release sections as we desire. Click on the plus sign, and you'll notice that currently, there are no sections present. The sections can be found here under Add New Sections. You have options like 1-column section, 2-column section, 3-column section, as well as 1/3 left, 1/3 right, and vertical sections. Let's start by click on one section and see how it looks. Once you do, you can see right now this is one section of this, and it'll show up in the site. You can add text, images, or anything you want. That's the one element. The 1-column and 2-column sections indeed have 2 columns, as the name suggests. You can add content to both of them. Furthermore, we also have a 3-column section available. Additionally, there are options like 1/3 left. The former provides a larger column on the left and a smaller one right here. We have also 1/3 right, and it's the same thing. Lastly, we have the vertical selection, which may appear a bit unusual but offers a unique layout option. This is how you can interact with and manage the various sections within your SharePoint site. We've added the sections, and they are displayed vertically. Now, let's explore the possibilities of adding interesting content within these sections. We'll examine the usefulness and effectiveness of the provided links and elements. We've discussed how to add a new section using the plus sign. You can modify the sections by clicking on the Edit Sections button. This allows you to make changes such as converting a 1-column section to a 3-column section or a 1/3 left section, and so on. Another feature is the Section Background, where you can choose from options like soft, neutral, none, or even something more maybe strong. Additionally, you have the ability to move sections anywhere you want using the Move Sections. You can also duplicate sections. Lastly, there's the Delete Section option if you decide to remove a section. So whenever you want to add any element here, you have a few options available. The first one is to save it as a draft. This means that it won't be published or accessible to the public or your members. We have the Undo feature. If you make a mistake or want to revert something, you can simply click Undo. And finally, we have Discourage Changes. This option allows you to make temporary modifications to certain elements without saving them permanently. So, to perform certain actions, you can use buttons such as Undo with the shortcut Ctrl-Z and Redo with the shortcut Ctrl-Y. Moving on, let's talk about the Page Details option. You have the ability to change the thumbnail image, modify the page description, and perform many other tasks. And finally, we have the Republish button. When you click on this button, the page will be republished, making it visible to everyone who has access to your page. That's how the Republish feature works.